just outside of this building, just right next door in Wembley Arena, 16 years ago, my sister brought me to London for the very first time for my X Factor audition. So, driving here today, and anytime I come through, Wembley means so much to me. It was right in that building next door where I was put into a band. We were called One Direction. So it means a lot for me to be in here tonight. Thank you so much for allowing me to do these shows. It means so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.